Now all of you mute your mic. Let us start the session. Today we are going to start revision number 1 of triangles chapter 6. So let us start with the introduction. Similar figures. Two figures having the same shape but not necessarily the same size. Same size भी हो सकता है, different भी हो सकता है, but shape same होगा. So that are called similar figures. Okay. And similarity of triangle, two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So let us take two triangles ABC and DEF. In this, the corresponding angle of A is D and the corresponding angle of B is E and the corresponding angle of C is F. So angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F. That is the first condition. And the second condition, the corresponding sides. The ratio of corresponding sides are same. So AB upon DE is equals to AC upon DF is equals to BC upon EF, right? This is the second condition. So this is the definition of similarity of triangles. Now we are moving towards a very important theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem. It is also known as Thales theorem. The statement is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the two sides are divided in the same ratio. Whenever we used to write in the form of reason, we used to mention only basic by basic proportionality theorem. That is also fine. Okay. जब रीजन हम लोग को लिखना होता है तो हम लोग पूरा स्टेटमेंट नहीं लिखते हैं, केवल बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम लिखते हैं. ओके. सो नाउ what is given that one triangle is given in which one line joining the other two sides is parallel to the third side, it is given, and what we have to show that the two sides are divided in the same ratio. So suppose a triangle ABC is given in which a line parallel to BC intersect AB at D and AC at E, this figure. What we have to show that the ratio of these two sides are equal. AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. So ये proof करना है हम लोग को. And what we will do construction. We will join BE, CD. Okay, उसके बाद EF, यहाँ से एक EF perpendicular line draw करेंगे. Or DN, we will draw DN perpendicular to AC. Okay, so we'll get this figure. Okay, now let us take this altitude one by one. सबसे पहले हम लोग EF altitude लेंगे. See this figure. Now EF is the altitude of two triangles. In fact, three triangles. I'm not taking the full one, that is ABE. ठीक है, यहाँ पे दो पार्ट ABE का दो पार्ट है, that is ADE and BDE. That two triangles only I'm taking for the ratio. Okay, so EF is altitude of triangle ADE, this one, and AD is the base. ध्यान से देखो, ये वाला ट्राइंगल ले रहा हूं मैं ADE, and AD is the base and EF is the altitude. So half into base into height, half into AD into EF. Similarly, a BDE triangle, see my cursor, BDE triangle, EF is the altitude and BD is the base. So half into BD into EF. So now we are going to take these two ratios. Okay, we are going to take these two ratios. इसमें half of cancel हो जाएगा and EF will be cancelled, and the reason is area of triangle half into base into height. So we are getting AD upon DB. Let it be equation number 1. Okay, now similarly we are going to take DN altitude. DN altitude is the altitude of this triangle, the same triangle ADE, and base is AE. So half into AE upon DN. The next triangle we are going to take CDE. So this is the base, CE और EC, half into EC into DN. So इन दोनों का रेशियो मैं लेने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to take these two ratios. इसमें half of cancel हो जाएगा similarly, and DN will be cancelled, and we are getting AE upon EC. Let it be equation number 2. Now in equation 1 and 2, the left hand side, if you see carefully, only the denominator is different. सिर्फ denominator अलग है यहाँ पर, right? Numerator दोनों का same है. So now in the next step, we are going to show that that denominator is also same. How? See this figure. Okay, you have studied last year that triangles on the same base between the same parallels are equal in area. So this is the same base DE, and two triangles, that is BDE and CDE, are on the same base. So their areas are equal. Okay, right. So अभी जो लेफ्ट साइड में जो डिनोमिनेटर था वो अलग था. नाउ फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 3 बोथ आर इक्वल. So now from equation 1, 2, 3, what we conclude that these two ratios are equal. Okay, and we are going to write for this AD upon DB and for this AE upon EC. Hence proved. Any doubt in this theorem?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we'll move towards one question. Exercise 6.2. The exercise 6.2 is completely based on the basic proportionality theorem and the converse of basic proportionality theorem. What is converse of basic proportionality theorem is that if a line divides any two sides in the same ratio, then it is parallel to the third side. Okay, so abhi yahan par DE parallel to BC is given and we need to find EC. So by basic proportionality theorem, what you will get for this first figure? AD upon bolo.
AD upon BB is equal to AE upon EC.
Very good. So we will get AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. So that we have to write. By basic proportionality theorem, we are getting AD upon BD is equals to AE upon EC or CE. Now we'll substitute all these values. 1.5 upon 3 is equals to 1 upon CE. So CE will be 3 upon, रेसिप्रोकल ले लेंगे, CE will be 3 upon 1.5. इसको कैंसिल करोगे तो हम लोग को 2 मिलेगा, right? So we are getting 2 centimeter. Now let us see the second one. Second one also we have to use that basic proportionality theorem, that is AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. Okay, now we'll substitute these three values जो दिया हुआ है, that is AD upon 7.2 is equals to 1.8 upon 5.4, right? So next step में इसको यहाँ पे shift करेंगे. Now you can cancel it by like that. इसको cancel कर सकते हैं 2.4 से. Otherwise, if you don't want to handle the decimals, so you try to remove the decimals by dividing it by 10. 1.8 को कैसे लिखेंगे? 18 upon 10. Similarly, 7.2 also 72 upon 10 into 10 upon 54. So now you can cancel it. So 3 यहाँ पे cancel हो रहा है 24 and 110 cancel, you can cancel. So 24 upon 10, that means 2.4 centimeter. You can do directly also, or you can follow this step also. That depends. That is up to you. Okay. Now we will move towards the next question, which is very good question. Here two pairs of parallel lines are given, and in this type of question what you have to do, you have to identify the triangle. That pair of parallel lines belongs to which triangle, that you have to identify. So let us start with the first pair, LM parallel to CB. It belongs to which triangle?
Triangle ABC.
Okay, very good. So triangle ABC में इसको मैं एक मिनट यहाँ पे ओवरराइट कर देता हूँ. So these two parallel lines are given. So now what we will do, we will apply the basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so by basic proportionality theorem, what we are going to get, AM upon MB is equals to AL upon LC. So let it be equation number 1. Now we'll move toward the next set of parallel lines, that is LN parallel to CD. It belongs to which triangle?
Triangle AD.
Right, triangle ACD. So again we will apply the basic proportionality theorem. So we'll get AN upon ND is equals to AL upon LC. So let it be equation number 2. Now in these two equations, the right hand sides of both the equation are same. So left hand side same हो जाएगा. That is AM upon MB is equals to AN upon ND. Now what we have to show that AM अपॉन ए भी प्रूफ करना है, तो इसको क्या करेंगे हम लोग, यहाँ पे +1 नहीं करेंगे, +1 करने से AM चला जाएगा. So that is why what we will do, we will take the reciprocal. Okay, उसके that after that we will add 1. Okay, this is M. Okay, so MB upon AM plus 1 is equals to ND upon AN plus 1. Now take LCM. So what it will become?
AB.
AB. And this one?
AD.
AD. Right. Now we'll take again reciprocal. So this is the proof. Any doubt in this question? Okay, now we'll move towards next question, question number 4. In figure 6.919, again two sets of parallel lines are given. Again here we have to identify the triangle. So DE is parallel to AC belongs to which triangle?
Triangle ABC.
Very good, triangle ABC, full triangle. Okay, so मैं उसको shade कर देता हूँ. This one is DE and this one is AC. Okay, so now if we apply the basic proportionality theorem, what we will get? BE upon EC is equals to BD upon DA, right? By basic proportionality theorem. Let it be equation number 1. Now the next set of parallel line belongs to which triangle?
Triangle ABE.
Very good, triangle ABE. So here again BD upon DA is equals to BF upon FE, right, by basic proportionality theorem. So let it be equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, the left hand sides are same. See, these two left hand sides are same. So these two are equal. BE upon EC is equals to BF upon FE. So this is the proof. Now we'll move towards the next question, question number 5. Here also two sets of parallel lines are given and we have to identify it belongs to which triangle. So DE parallel to OQ belongs to which triangle?
Triangle POQ.
Right, triangle POQ. मैं उसको शेड कर रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो. This one. If you apply the basic proportionality theorem, so what we are going to get? PE upon EQ is equals to PD upon DO. By basic proportionality theorem, let it be equation number 1. Now the second pair belongs to which triangle?
Triangle POR.
Right, very good, triangle POR. So if we apply the basic proportionality theorem, we'll get PD upon DO is equals to PF upon FR. Let it be equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, the left hand side of both the equations are same. These two left hand sides. So ये और ये equal हो जाएगा. Okay, right. Now see, PE upon EQ is equals to PF upon FR will imply EF is parallel to QR. Why?
By converse
of basic proportionality
Right,
theorem.
very good, very good. By converse of basic proportionality theorem, these two lines are parallel. Okay, so now we'll move towards one more question which is also belongs to the same similar type. Here also two sets of parallel lines are given and we have to show that BC is parallel to QR. So AB parallel to PQ belongs to which triangle?
Triangle POQ.
Triangle POQ. Okay, if you apply the basic proportionality theorem, you will get OA upon AP is equals to OB upon BQ. Right, let it be equation number 1 by basic proportionality theorem. Now second set of parallel line belongs to which triangle?
triangle POR.
POR, right. OA upon AP is equals to OC upon CR by basic proportionality theorem. Let it be equation number 2. Now from these two equations, again the left hand sides are same, so we can conclude these two are also equal. Right, now in triangle OQR, OB is equals to OB upon PQ is equals to OC upon CR, so we can conclude BC is parallel to QR. Why?
By converse of
Right. By converse of basic proportionality theorem, we can conclude BC is parallel to QR. Right. Now we'll move towards question number 9. Now this is very good question, very important also. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. So एक डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लिए, इसमें एक कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे हम लोग. थ्रू O we will draw one parallel, OF parallel to AB. It is also parallel to DC. Okay, now we are going to apply basic proportionality theorem in triangle ABD. Right, FO is parallel to AB. So what we can write, DF upon FA is equals to DO upon OB. Let it be equation number 1. Right, now what we are going to do, we are going to apply basic proportionality theorem in this triangle ACD. ध्यान से देखो, DF upon FA is equals to CO upon OA. Let it be equation number 2 by basic proportionality theorem. Now from equation 1 and 2, what we are observing, this the left hand side of both the equations are same. So right hand side equal हो जाएगा. Right, अब इसमें ध्यान से देखो, AO upon BO है और CO upon DO, तो ये दोनों को हम लोग इंटरचेंज कर लेंगे. If you interchange, you will get this answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards question number 10. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. So this is the converse of 9th question. Okay, 9th question में trapezium दिया हुआ था और ये proof किए थे. Now this is given and we have to show that ABCD is a trapezium. So we'll draw one rough diagram. Now here we will do one construction. Draw OE parallel to AB. Right. Now we can apply basic proportionality theorem in triangle ABD. So if we apply the basic proportionality theorem, what we are going to get, DE upon EA is equals to DO upon OB. Right. Let it be equation number 1 by basic proportionality theorem. Now DE upon EA is equals to DO upon OB. But what is given? This is given. ये दिया हुआ है, AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. हम लोग ये दोनों को इंटरचेंज कर देंगे तो क्या मिलेगा, DO upon BO is equals to CO upon AO. Let it be equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, the right hand side of both are equal. The right hand side of both are equal. So left hand side भी equal हो जाएगा. Right, now in triangle ACD, these two ratios are equal. Okay, these two ratios are equal, so we can conclude that EO is parallel to DC by
converse of basic.
right, by converse of basic proportionality theorem. EO is parallel to DC, but EO is parallel to AB. We have done the construction, so therefore AB is parallel to DC. So if AB is parallel to DC, that will imply ABCD is a trapezium. Any doubt in this one? Okay. Now let us move towards the questions based on similarity of triangles. So what similarity we have studied? First one is AAA similarity. AAA. So all three corresponding angles are equal. In fact, we are not using this one because we are using only AA similarity, in which if any two corresponding angles are equal, then we will write that two triangles are similar by AA similarity. The next one is SSS. If three corresponding sides are in proportion, the ratio of three corresponding sides are equal, then the triangles are similar. Next one is SAS. If two corresponding sides the ratio of two corresponding sides are equal and the included angle are equal, then by SAS criteria the two triangles are similar. So this is the similarity of these are the introduction and details of similarity of triangles. इसका proof exam में नहीं आता है. So now we'll move towards exercise 6.3, that is completely based on similarity of triangles. So let us start with the question number 3 first. Diagonals AC and BD of trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criteria for two triangles, show that OA upon OC is equals to OB upon OD. So question number 9 जो किए थे इससे पहले वाली exercise में, this is the same question, but here we are using similarity. Okay, so let these two angles are 1 and 2 and these two angles are 3 and 4. Okay, so now angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Why?
Alternate angles.
Right, and angle 3 is equals to angle 4.
Alternate angles.
So these two triangles are similar, that is triangle COD is similar to triangle AOB. Okay, first we will write that step. By which criteria?
AA similarity.
Right, by AA similarity. Right, fine. So now if these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Now how to identify the corresponding sides? रेगुलर क्लास में हम लोग ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं, ठीक है. दिस इज द रिवीजन क्लास, फिर से मैं बता रहा हूँ. उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू पिक द करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स. सी व्हाट इज द करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल ऑफ 2? 1. What is the corresponding angle of 3? 4. ठीक है. So हम लोग we will take a first pair 3 and 4. What is the opposite side of angle 4?
AO.
Right. उसका corresponding angle 3 है, तो 3 का opposite side
OC.
OC. तो OA upon OC is the first pair. Okay. Now second angle 2 के opposite में OB. Angle 2 का corresponding angle 1 है. Angle 1 के opposite में which side? OD. So we come to the conclusion that DO upon BO is equals to OC upon OA. नहीं, ये नहीं मत लिखो, डायरेक्ट ये लिखो, ये वाला. Okay, so by if two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are proportional. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards next question, question number 5. S and T are points on the sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equals to angle RTS, and we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. So this is very simple question. These two angles are equal, this is given already. Okay, and angle R is common. So these two triangles are similar. By which criteria?
AA similarity.
Right, AA similarity. Right. So now we'll move towards question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced by a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersect CD at point F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So let us draw the diagram first. AD को extend किए point E तक, then join BE which intersect CD at point F. Now what we have to show that this triangle ABE is similar to this triangle. So let us start with the angle A is equals to angle C. Why? Why these two angles are equal?
Opposite angle of parallelogram.
Very good. Opposite angles of parallelogram. Now this angle is equals to this angle. Why?
Alternate angles.
Right, alternate interior angles. So we can conclude that these two triangles are similar. By which criteria?
AA similarity.
Right, AA similarity. Right. You can take this pair also. ये वाला और ये वाला भी ले सकते हो. Alternate interior angles. Okay. Now we will move toward the next question. Question number 9. In figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M, respectively. Prove that these two triangles are similar and these two ratios are equal. So we'll start with these two triangles. Okay. So triangle ABC or AMP. Angle A is common to both the triangles, and this angle is equals to this angle. Why?
Each 90 degrees.
Each 90 degrees. So we can conclude that these two triangles are similar. By which criteria?
RHS.
Not RHS. RHS criteria थोड़े ना होता है similarity में. AA similarity, right? A by AA similarity. Okay. Now the two triangles are similar. Now corresponding sides को identify करेंगे. ध्यान से देखो, जो चीज मैं पूछ रहा हूँ वो बताना. So this is the first triangle and this is the second triangle. I am writing here 1, 2. Okay. So angle A is common. So what is the opposite side of angle A? First triangle.
BC.
BC. Very good. What is the side opposite to angle A for second triangle?
MP.
MP.
Okay, BC, MP. Fine. Now the next pair is these two angles. Okay, what is the side opposite to angle B?
AC.
AC. What is the side opposite to angle M?
AP.
AP. Right. So यही वाला पेयर मिल जाएगा हम लोग को. ठीक है. So AC upon AP is equals to BC upon MP. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Hence proved. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move towards question number 11. In figure, E is the point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equals to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Okay, so we'll start with the first, that if AB is equals to AC, then angle B is equals to angle CY.
Angle opposite to equal sides are equal.
Very good. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal, right? So ABC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So AB is equals to AC, it is given. So therefore angle B is equals to angle C. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Now we are going to take these two triangles. अब ये दोनों triangles में first of all these two angles are equal, already proved above, and angle ADB is equals to angle EFC. Why?
Each 90 degrees.
90
Right.
degree.
So therefore these two triangles are similar. By which criteria?
AA similarity.
Yes, AA similarity. Right. So ये proof हो गया. अभी next question पे move कर रहे हैं. Question number 12. Now this is very good question. Side AB and BC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to side PQ, QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Right? तो इसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले ये वाले ट्रायंगल को सिमिलर प्रूफ करेंगे. दिस ट्रायंगल ABD और PQM. वी आर गोइंग टू प्रूव दिस टू ट्रायंगल सिमिलर. अब उसको कैसे करेंगे देखो. व्हाट इज गिवन दैट व्हाट इज AD? मीडियन. सो BD इज इक्वल्स टू DC क्योंकि D मिड पॉइंट होगा. So we can write BC as 2 times BD. Similarly, QR we can write 2 times QM. Okay. So as AD and PM are medians, so BD is equals to half of BC or QM is equals to half of QR, or BC is equals to 2 times BD you can write, and QR is equals to 2 times QM. Now we are going to take this ratio. ये तीनों रेशियो हम लोग लेने जा रहे हैं और BC और QR को रिप्लेस करेंगे. अब नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू रिप्लेस दिस टू. हाउ यू कैन रिप्लेस BC?
2BD.
राइट. एंड QR?
2QM.
2QM. ठीक है, राइट। ये दूसरा तरीका है, डायरेक्ट हम लोग सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं। अदरवाइज व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड बाय हाफ. So now in place of this we can write BD. In place of this we can write QR. Sorry, QM. So BD upon QM हो गया. और जो दूसरा तरीका मैंने बताया था कि इसको लिखोगे 2 times of BD नेक्स्ट स्टेप में, और इसको लिखेंगे 2 times of QM. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप में 2 कैंसिल कर सकते हो. सो वैसे भी कर सकते हैं और ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो नाउ 3 करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शनल ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल एंड दिस ट्राइंगल. So these two triangles are similar by which criteria?
SSS.
Right, by SSS similarity. Now if these two triangles are similar, angle B is equals to angle Q. Why? Why angle B is equals to angle Q?
Corresponding part of the triangle.
Yes, corresponding angles of similar triangles. Okay. Now I am going to take these two triangles. अब ये दोनों triangles मैं ले रहा हूँ, full triangles. ध्यान से देखो. AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR and angle B is equals to angle Q proved above. Right? So we can conclude these two triangles are similar by which criteria? Two corresponding sides are in the same ratio and included angles are equal. By which? SAS, right, very good. These two triangles are similar by SAS similarity. So this is question number 12. Now we'll move towards question number 13. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC, this complete angle, is equals to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equals to CB into CD. So what we will do, we will prove these two triangles ADC and the full triangle are similar. So first we will take that two triangles. In this, angle C is common to both the triangles and these two angles are equal. ये दोनों angles equal दिया हुआ और angle C common है. So these two triangles are similar by which criteria? Right, AA similarity. Fine. Now if these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are equal. अभी corresponding sides कैसे identify करोगे, ध्यान से देखो. We'll take up the corresponding angles. ये दोनों corresponding angles हैं. इसके opposite में कौन सा side है? AC, right. और इसके opposite में कौन सा side है? Full triangle. BC. ये समझ में आ गया? ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
ओके. और दूसरा जो करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल है वो ये वाला है और ये वाला है. देखो ध्यान से. ठीक है, कॉमन एंगल नहीं ले रहा हूं मैं, थर्ड एंगल ले रहा हूं. दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल, राइट. सो इसके ऑपोजिट में कौन सा साइड है? DC, राइट. और इसके ऑपोजिट में कौन सा साइड है? फुल ट्रायंगल AC. ओके, फाइन. सो वी विल राइट द रेशियो. The sides, the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So CA upon CB is equals to CD upon CA. Now if you cross multiply, you will get CA square is equals to CB into CD. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards question number 14. Question number 14 12 जैसा ही दिखता है but 12 जैसा नहीं है. Sides AB, AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. ठीक है. So इसमें क्या क्या दिया हुआ देखो. AB upon PQ, right, and AC upon PR, and the last one is AD upon PM. हम लोग का मेन टारगेट क्या है? ये दोनों एंगल्स को इक्वल प्रूफ करना. एंगल A इज इक्वल टू एंगल P. ओके, इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले जो दिया हुआ उसको लिख लिए हम लोग. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू सम कंस्ट्रक्शन. वी विल प्रोड्यूस AD टू E सच दैट AD इज इक्वल टू DE. ठीक है. एंड एक मिनट इसमें करते हैं. देखो AD को हम लोग प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, ध्यान से देखो यहाँ तक. और B, ये पॉइंट E है. BE और CE को ज्वाइन किए हम लोग, राइट. Similarly, we will produce PM to N. उसके बाद ये दोनों पॉइंट को ज्वाइन कर दिए हम लोग. ठीक है, QN और RN को. कंस्ट्रक्शन इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir.
So according to construction, these two are equal. These two are equal. Okay. And these two are also equal. Why these two are equal? ये दोनों इक्वल क्यों है?
AD parallel to BC and PM parallel to perpendicular to
No,
QR.
no, 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 no. AD is median. Median. तभी D midpoint है. PM is the median, so M is the midpoint. ठीक है, तभी ये दोनों इक्वल है. Okay, fine. So now in quadrilateral, what we are observing, diagonals are bisect each other at point D here. So we can write that ABEC is a parallelogram. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, so quadrilateral ABEC is a parallelogram. Similarly, this triangle, this is also parallelogram. PQNR. यहां तक अगर क्लियर है तो आगे बढ़े.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, since ABEC is a parallelogram, BE is equals to AC and QN is equals to PR in this one. Right? Similarly, QN is equals to PR in this one. Now dividing 2 by 3, ये दोनों को divide कर रहा हूं मैं. So BE upon QN will be equals to AC upon PR. Let it be equation number 4. Now क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ था? AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR is equals to AD upon PM. Right? So उससे पहले AD upon PM को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 times AD upon 2 times PM, and 2 times AD we can write AE and 2 times PM we can write PN, क्योंकि ये दोनों इक्वल है, ये भी दोनों इक्वल है. अब जो दिया हुआ है उसको मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ. एक मिनट. AD upon PM is equals to AE upon PM. Let it be equation number 5. Now what is given in the question that AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR is equals to AD upon PM. So AD upon PM को रिप्लेस करेंगे हम लोग इसके साथ में, और AC upon PR को रिप्लेस करेंगे इसके साथ में. Right? Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
So that means ABE is similar to triangle PQN by SSS similarity. If these two triangles are similar, these two angles are equal. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Similarly, these two angles are also equal. If you add these two angles, you will get angle A. If you add these two, you will get angle P. So adding equations 6 and 7 will get this one. So मैंने बताया था कि हम लोग का यही टारगेट है, एंगल A और एंगल P को इक्वल प्रूफ करना. Okay, now we are going to consider the original triangle, that is ABC and PQR. So in triangle ABC and a triangle PQR, AB upon PQ is equals to AC upon PR. It is already given, and angle A is equals to angle P. We have proved above. So therefore, these two triangles are similar by which criteria?
SAS.
Yes, SAS criteria. Okay, any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Now we'll move toward the last question of today's session, today's revision. If AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, it is already given. We have to show that these two ratios are equal. Okay, तो उसके लिए हम लोग को ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को सिमिलर प्रूफ करना पड़ेगा. Okay, these two triangles are similar that we have to show. So let us start with the given one first. These two are given. So if this is given, AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to AC upon PR, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now in place of BC, I can write 2 times of BD. In place of QR, I can write 2 times of QM. और ये दोनों भी एंगल्स इक्वल होगा, दिस टू एंगल्स, ये दोनों एंगल्स क्यों इक्वल होगा? Corresponding angles of similar triangles. All corresponding angles are equal. Now if two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Now D is the midpoint of BC, so BD is equals to DC is equals to half of BC. Similarly, M is the midpoint of QR, so QM is equals to MR is equals to half of QR. Now AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR will be implies AB upon PQ is equals to 2 times BD upon 2 times QM. यहाँ पे 2 cancel कर लो. So what we are going to get, AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM. Okay, अब ये दोनों triangles को मैं consider कर रहा हूँ. कौन सा triangle? ABD और PQM. ध्यान से देखो. Angle B is equals to angle Q, proved above. और हम लोग क्या प्रूफ किए? AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM. Already proof किए. So these two triangles are similar. By which criteria?
SAS.
Right, by SAS criteria. Now if these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we are moving towards the last section, that is the assignment questions. Only 3 questions are there. You try to complete these 3 questions. Okay. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.